What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Freddie. I'm the third member of the Sundown Drift Crew. We were gonna introduce my car, but obviously it's a Nissan, so it's broken. Here it is. It's a S13 with an RB, but unfortunately I took it back to, or I took the wiring harness out so we can remake it. So I'll show you a video about that. And then I guess this is my other drift car, the Skyline. I was actually gonna drive that thing around and show that to you guys, but over the weekend we did a collab with a bunch of other YouTube vloggers, and just take a look for yourself. So obviously I can't drive it around because it's about to pop. So instead of showing you my cars, I'm just going to change my control arm and see if hopefully I could get some even tire wear. Stay tuned. Car's finally jacked up, so now time to get some tools to take the tire out. Let's see here. Oh, there you go. One day I'll upgrade my toolbox and get more tools. I guess those will do for now. Oh yeah. Look how bad that is. So this is what we're gonna change for now. I ordered the rest, so hopefully that comes here soon. But this should do for now. I will probably have to remove the coilover from the bottom, or maybe from the top. We'll see which one's easier. Most likely the bottom. So let's see what happens. Difficult bolt, what I like to do is I grab a tool that you really don't care about, and then that's what I have to do because I don't have all the right tools to do the job, so I have to improvise. If people grab my stuff and don't put it back, let's see. Oh, there it is. Size 12. looks like that. To let you guys know, it's a little easier to have another person, but if you don't, you can always just use a tire or another jack if you have one. But I think someone borrowed my other one, so this will do for now. Now time to get the coilover out. Alright. Usually what I like to do, let's see if you can see me, before I tighten everything, try to make sure everything's the right size. Spin it up a little, just match it up. Looks like we're good. Now let's put this back. Oh, I cussed. I was trying not to swear as much, but sometimes it happens when you work on fucking Nissans. Alrighty. Let's see. That's in. Go. I always keep my bolts loose until everything's in properly. Then I go ahead and tighten everything else. I got a buddy, so I gotta prop the tire. Okay, that's propped. There we go. The inside. All right. Okay, and everything's in. Looks like it fit okay. So now it's time to tighten the rest of all the bolts, since I left them all loose. For me, it's always a good idea to leave them, I guess, somewhat loose so you can move it around if you need to adjust certain things. It makes it so much easier. But the bad part is, just always make sure that you tighten everything nice, because you don't want to run into a situation where everything falls apart. As far as the control arm, I always leave where it adjusts pretty loose, because once I take it to the alignment rack, I feel like it gives it, it helps the people aligning it a little better once, so they can adjust the angle accordingly. But there, that's the first side. Let's go do the other side now. you go. I think it's done. Everything's buttoned up, both sides ready to go. If you guys think I should slam this car, just comment below and see if I should go lower. And just a FYI, I was told that some of the S13, S14 rear suspension parts could fit on the Skyline. I haven't tested it yet. And also, I did find some more parts for the rear, the lower arms, the lower control arms. I'm just gonna double check, make sure I'm not missing any hardware, because I have been hoarding parts for a very long time now, so I'm just gonna double check, make sure I don't need anything else. So let me know what you guys think, and just comment below to see if you guys want to see more stuff on the Skyline, or if you want to see this beast running. Just comment below and see which one you guys want to see, and then I guess we'll see you guys next time. Thanks, peace.